Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the world of sustainable travel. It's a hot topic, but there are some common mistakes that even the most eco-conscious travelers make. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, overpacking. Now I get it. We all want to be prepared for any situation, but bringing too much stuff means more weight, which means more fuel consumption and higher carbon emissions. Instead, pack light and only bring what you absolutely need. Trust me, your back will thank you too. Next up, choosing the wrong transportation. Flying might be fast, but it's one of the biggest contributors to carbon emissions. Whenever possible, opt for trains or buses. They're not only more eco-friendly, but you also get to see more of the beautiful landscapes along the way. Another big one, wasting resources at your accommodation. Hotels often have those little signs asking you to reuse towels. Don't ignore them. It might seem like a small act, but it saves gallons of water and reduces energy usage. And if you're staying in a place with a kitchen, cook your own meals using local ingredients. It's a great way to reduce waste and support the local economy. Let's talk about souvenirs. It can be tempting to buy mass-produced trinkets, but often these items are made in factories that harm the environment. Instead, look for locally made, sustainable products. Not only are they unique, but they also help support local artisans in their communities. Now this one might surprise you: wildlife tourism. Many people think that visiting animal attractions supports conservation, but that's not always the case. Some places exploit animals for profit. Do your research and choose ethical wildlife experiences that genuinely support the well-being of the animals and their habitats. Lastly, let's address plastic use. Single-use plastics are a huge problem. Bring a reusable water bottle, a set of travel cutlery, and a cloth shopping bag. These small items can make a big difference in reducing plastic waste. So there you have it, some common sustainable travel mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, every little bit helps in protecting our planet. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Let's make the world a better place, one trip at a time. Thanks for watching and safe travels. Duh.